Michael, I'm burning my house up. Burning off the roof. Look, just look. I made a copy of the world, so just know. I blew up my world with that TNT launcher that I broke. And I had a giant tower. This, uh, say, this high on the ground. Here we go. Burn!
Okay, here we go. This is my biggest explosion, except for the one that I did over there. This is my second biggest explosion. Here we go. Let's do this. Sky view. All that's left. Wow, it actually blew up half the bridge that I built all the way over to my secret tunnel. Blew up everything except the obsidian because obsidian is unbreakable by TNT. And look at look Michael. Look at the damage under the house. Yeah, I know. It's amazing. Okay. Holy crap. This is like 12 deep or 7 deep. That's crazy. I mean, it looks cool. Well, guys, if you want me to make any more exploding videos, then I will comment, subscribe, rate, and I will make more Kaplooey videos. Bye. Bye.